John Andrew Williams here. Hi, everybody. I apologize for not blogging while I was in Spain. I thought that I would. I knew that I would. It was my one well-designed action to blog. But when I got to Spain, I decided no, I'm not going to do work. I haven't had a break, like a real vacation where I haven't done anything connected with work in a very, very long time. And it felt amazing. And coming back, we got back last night at 8 o'clock. Coming back to this reality, it feels good. Like I'm seeing it with fresh eyes. And the lead up to Spain, I did so much work, so much energy, I got things so far to a certain degree. And now, after the break, coming back, I'm feeling really hopeful and really deeply energized about where things are at. I am recognizing the value of a true break. And I'm even more excited for December. I have a couple of really big projects. I'm doing some work with the ICF. We have that conference coming up in June. Polishing the websites. I'm going to put some more polish on our books. For us in academic life coaching, December really is the month of polish. There's not that much that goes on in terms of new offerings and new things that are coming along. The conference is new for us, but that's not happening till the summer. But the lead up to it is there. The bottom line, I guess I'm getting from the trip to Spain and coming back is breaks are valuable and necessary. And I really haven't had one in a very long time. And I do feel rejuvenated. If you send me emails over the past 2 weeks, sorry I haven't got back to them. But I will get back to them, and the break is good. And I've heard many times that we have to retreat in order to advance, and I truly can see the value of that and what I got from Spain. Thanks so much for watching. Going to see you tomorrow. Take care.